The Oscar for the documentary The Elephant Whisperers has happily turned the nation's interest focus towards our wildlife and our forests. After all, the 35,000 elephants are greatly dependent on the forest for their nourishment, even as they in turn nourishes the forest. Now, these magnificent creatures are getting in conflict with the human beings as the forest merges into the agricultural lands where bananas, sugarcane, grasses lure the elephants towards the human settlements. My name is Divya and I'm a student of Dhruva College of Management, Hyderabad. Let me take you through the why India's forests need a new stewards. We have to reimagine the role of the society, the market, and the state. If we have to conserve or rejuvenate the forest. Firstly, many tribal communities where ancestors used to live in the forest and they used to see the forest like the palm of their own hand, and then they can no longer be the primary stewards of the forest. Secondly, so we can support CSOs and the reserve institutions to generate the knowledge regarding the forest conservation and to include more urban residents in the stewards of our biodiversity. Thirdly, government needs to integrate environment issues across the ministries. They need better data science to monitor the forest, and also they need to introduce more bold policies on new private conservations. In closing, India remains one of the rare countries where it has a huge population pressure, but it still retained its biodiversity, and we cannot completely say that our cultural, in spite we have cultural traditions and reverence for a forest, while we keep chasing the western development model. We need to be now focus on the new policies, whether it would be a Samaj or Bazaar or Sarkar. We need to become stewards for the forest that will heal us as we heal them. Thank you, Divya, for you.